So this is part two. It's a sunset walk along the coastal path. And we're going to start here at Petra Beach Hotel, and we're going to walk this way till we get to where I started my other one. So it's going to be around about what, maybe 10-minute walk, just highlighting all the bars and restaurants, show you how busy it is of an evening in this part of town. So on part one of the evening walk, I think I did it from the harbour, or did it? No, I did it from Peter's Jewelleries to the harbour. This is the other way around, I think. So I'm starting from a completely different point. So no, I've not videoed this area yet in the evening. So let's call this video part two, the evening walking tour on the coastal path. That colour over there is quite pretty, isn't it? Just on the horizon. You got a few hotels just along the front here. I've not done many hotel reviews on this one, on this little trip. It's mainly been walking tours. Dinner on the beach or the rocks. Good spot for people watching. I can see someone's got a drone out. It's on YouTube. Yeah, I can just see a drone hovering over there. And up it goes. Don't know where you'll be able to see it. Right, I'm just going to talk over this bit because of what we've got. We've got a lot of music going on, and YouTube don't like that. They like to give little copyright strikes out for that kind of stuff. So if I talk all over it, hopefully it'll avoid this video being flagged up. So I'm just going to talk a little bit of nonsense for a few minutes. This place looks great. How cool that is! Got the DJ pumping the tunes out there, giving it spinning the wheels of steel, as they say. I've done an evening walking tour as well of the main street and the one road back from here. That's got more shops on it. Still plenty of bars and restaurants, but it's got more of your gift type shops and your spas and little supermarkets, that kind of thing. The guy preferred to be sat here watching the sun go down and having my dinner, and stuck on the main street with all the traffic. Paparazzi. Paparazzi. There we go. Dinner on the beach. How cool is that? Yeah, it won't be too long this video because I can see pretty much now where I started recording the other evening walking tour. So as soon as I get to that point, I'll conclude there, because you don't want to watch the same thing twice. You can just jump onto the other video that I shot the other evening and have a look at that. It's like a beach club. I'm not sure what you do here, whether you just come in, eat drinks, use the swimming pool, or whether you get a day pass. I'm not sure. I'll have to Google that when I get back home. It's always kicking out quite funky chill music. A little bit of a Ibiza vibe going on. Cafe Del Mar type stuff. Oh. So I've got some perspective. That's the church. So if you have a look at any of my other videos, and that's where the church is from the main road. You'll go roughly where you are now. On the beach side. Yeah, it's got your prices of all the drinks on here, so get yourself a 400ml Stella, €5. Small local beer, $3.50. Or a large local beer, €4 there, I think it was. Or Mythos. Okay. I'm just gonna conclude the video at the end of this bar, because just down here is where I started my my first video, so I don't know, like I say, repeat it twice. So yeah, if you do like this kind of content, show me some love, give me a like, subscribe, share if you know anyone who's coming to this area and would appreciate this kind of content. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you. I'll catch you on the next one.